Here is the doll I'm doing repairs on today. He is very dirty. His batteries need changed for sure, and then he needs cleaned out, but I'm not sure if he will work after because this is an older style of Ken. This is a Sweet Tongue Ken. I bought him a long time ago. I do not know if I'll be able to get him to work. You record your voice, and then he's supposed to talk back to you in Ken's voice. But, you know, who knows? It's coming. Oh, those are super bad. He takes 6. I don't even touch those batteries, they're so bad. Corroded. There you go. And what you want to do when you take out these batteries, because the corrosiveness of battery acid will prevent them from working properly. Well, I'm cleaning out his batteries, and I just wash his filthy, filthy face. I really like these for cleaning dolls. They're just the generic form of Clorox wipes. I think those are from Walmart. But Clorox wipes, any brand will do. If there's a spot that's more stubborn than others, you try these. And if there's a spot that really won't come off, you have to try the, calm down, puppy. You have to try the pimple cream, and then put them in the sun or wait a few weeks and see if that gets off the stain. But that is the last resort. You don't want to do that unless you really have to. So, I bought him from a seller who has not sold anything in like a year. She was my favorite seller because she would always have like rare, different dolls. At least I think that's the seller I got it from. It's been a long time. I didn't have batteries. I didn't want to go for the hassle of changing all the batteries. I bought a ton of these recently, and I hope that they're good, but I don't know. They came from the Philippines. Yeah, you can't really get through that. And this will fix up to 10 dolls. And then I had another pack that I found. But it will be less, more like 7 or 8 dolls, even though I had enough for 11, because another one takes 4 and he takes 6, which is double the normal amount. I think that's dry already. Then you have to look to see how you put them in, and they are hard to get in that way. Eh, eh, eh. There. These go the opposite way. Do, 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 do. We'll see if it works. I mean, it's a long shot because, I mean, he's a little old. And it's not like he's a regular talking doll. He's actually a recorder. I'm just not sure how to record with this doll. So it's really grainy, but that would be like the kid who had him before me. And I can't hear what they're saying. Can I talk to you? And now I'm going to record over that. I'm so sorry. Hi, my name is Ken.
Hi, my name is Ken.
Sounds just like me. And even higher. Hi, my name is Ken.
Hi, my name is Ken.
Still sounds like me. It's supposed to be in like Ken's voice.
Hi, my name is Ken.
Oh, that's Ken's voice. I am just using watercolor pencils to fill in his eyebrows. Mod Podge Flat would be a good option if you're doing this and you want to seal it in. Shiny does not work because it will come off. I'm putting some conditioner in his hair. I'm just going to comb it in to take away the flyaways and make it in much better condition. I actually thought this was mousse when I first bought it, but it's not. But it seems to work very well on the dolls. So here is my restoration of this doll. He is all clean. He works now. He can talk, and his name is Sweet Talkin' Ken. That is the model of this doll, and
For more videos like this, you should subscribe.
have a great day.